Okay, so now we can go to the next step, which is producing the curve of bending moments, no? So if you remember, balik tayo doon sa ating problem. Mabuti pa i-copy ko yung problem para okay, so this is our problem, ano? Curve of mali pa ako eh. Yan, curve of bending moments naman ang ating gagawin ngayon, ano? Okay, so let me copy this. Copy. Tapos dapat ilagay ko yan dito sa una. Paste. Saka dito. Para madaling hanapin. Okay, so nakita nyo dito naman tayo ngayon sa curve of bending moments. Okay, so let me pinaano ko siya, binold. Okay, so we need to produce the curve of bending moments. So the bending moments can be stated as the area under the curve. Okay, so the area under the curve of the shear forces of the position in question. So parang pareho din na ating ginawa kanina, no? Kaya lang, this involves, kasi nga slanting siya, this involves triangle and trapezium. No? So ito yung trapezium, ganito, no? Parang trapezoid. This is called trapezium. Okay, so the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times perpendicular height. So, madali lang yun, di ba? And then the trapezium, this is A plus B, that is first side and second side, divided by 2 times base. Madali lang. Madali lang yung formula, no? Kaya lang ang dami. Marami lang kasi, no? So, here, nakita nyo yung sinabi niya, under the curve. So, this one is under the curve, no? From 0. Okay, let me enlarge para makita nyo, ano? Yan, no? Kita nyo? This is under the curve. So, ito yung ating curve. Yan yung ating plinat. And then, so, this is a triangle. So, we will use the triangle formula, no? And then, pag nag-solve tayo yung pangalawa, huwag mong isolve isa-isa. Isolve mo na buo. So, that is your triangle pa rin yun. And then, yung sunod na naman, that is also a triangle. Okay, so, until here, this is a triangle. Ang problema, pagdating mo dito, no? So, this is already trapezium. Kaya ngayon, ang gagawin mo, solve mo yung triangle mo, tapos plus trapezium. That is your area. Tapos, sunod na naman, this is your triangle, trapezium. And then your triangle again. Tapos ang susunod na naman ay, okay, so this one is negative, di ba? Below 0. So negative yan, that is triangle. Isusubtract mo doon sa sum noon. And then, gagawin na natin dito, this is also trapezium. I-add mo doon, or i-apply mo doon sa buong solution noon. Which is I will show you, no? So dito trapezium, then and then trapezium, and then triangle doon sa huli, no? Okay, so I will show you. Okay, so the bending moment at the half perpendicular is 0 tons meter because there is no area to calculate half of the half perpendicular or the AP. The bending moment at 5 meters FOAP, we will use the triangle formula because this is a triangle. So 1/2 times 5 meters FOAP times 10 tons, no? So if you remember, this one is 10 in tons, no? Because this is your curve of shearing force. Di ba ang ating na-solve sa shearing force ay the unit is tons. Kaya itong ating shearing force dito sa gilid, that is tons. And then this is your length of the vessel. This is your 5 meter interval. So this is in meters. Kaya ang the result will be tons meter, no? tons meter. We did not divide by anything, so this is not tons per meter, but this is tons meter, no? Ganyan, tons meter or TM. TM. Okay, so yun, 1 half times 5 is 2.5 times 10, ay di 25, di ba? Madali lang. You can calculate without calculator. You can calculate using your mind only, no? Okay, next. The bending moment at 10 meters FOBAP. Triangle again. Nakita nyo yan? So, 1 half times 10 times 20. So, 1 half ng 10 is 5 times 20 is 100. Yeah? Mas madali pala ito. Akala ko mas mahirap. Mas mahirap lang i-prepare. Uy. Okay, so dito naman, this is your triangle. Okay, so 15 meters ka na. So 1 half times 15 times, okay, so 7.5 times 30, 75 na tatlo, 75 plus 75, 150 plus 75 is 225, no? So you can also do that orally, no? You can also calculate orally. Pero kung sanay ka sa calculator, walang problema. And then we have the bending moment at 20 meters FOBAP dito, 20 meters. So 1 half times 20, triangle pa rin eh, no? So your 1 half times base times yung side. Diba? So, anong result? 20, 1 half times 20 is 10, times 40 is 400. Okay, so at the area of trapezium, past bulkhead 4 over 3, no? So, this is the bulkhead 4 over 3. Ito, bulkhead. Kasi bulkhead ito, because this is longitudinal, di ba? Kasi ito ay length of your vessel. Ngayon, this is your bulkhead 3, 2. Okay, so the area of triangle is 1 half times 20. Kasi 20 yan, di ba? Times 40 is 400. Actually, meron na yan kanina. Ano? Tandaan nyo yan? Okay, so control P. 400. Kung bumalik ka doon, yan, 400 yan, no? Di ba? Okay, so 400. And then calculate the area of trapezium. This is your formula. And then 40 plus 20. Nakita nyo yun, no? This is 40. Yan. So itong side na to, okay, so this is 40. Diba? Plus 20. So ito naman side na to. Okay, so yung side na yan, this is 20. Diba? Okay, so 40 plus 20 divided by 2 times 5 meters. So ito 5. 5 meters. Okay. So anong sagot? That is 40 plus 20 is 60 divided by 2 is 30 times 5 is 150 tons meter. Okay, so then we will apply the 400 tons meter. 400 plus 150 is 550 tons meter. Okay, so yan lang yung bending moment. No? Bending moment dito sa 25 FOWAP. Okay, naintindihan ba? Any question regarding that? Kasi in-apply na natin yung trapezium. Any question? Wala ba? Naintindihan?
Sir, saan po galing yung 40 at 20?
40 is, that is your A and B, no? If we go back, ganito. Okay, wait, ibabalik ko doon sa ano para mas clear. Yun, nakita niyo yung formula nito, no? This is the formula of trapezium. A plus B divided by 2 times base. So, yung A, yung side na to, dito, di ba? Yung tinatanong mo kanina, 40 doon.
Okay.
Di ba? 40. Tapos doon sa kabila naman doon,
Yes, sir.
20. Doon. Kaya yun yung A and B. O, kahit papagbaliktad mo yung B and A, pareho lang yan. Pareho lang result. Okay. Oh, so may formula yon, ano? Okay, so let's go back there. Okay, so next is area of, dito naman is bending moment at 30 meters naman, ano? So this is amidship. So may siyempre may bending moment sa amidship. Okay, so the area of the triangle is 400. Alam na natin yung 400. 400. Area of trapezium, this is 150. Di ba? So nasolve na rin natin yan. Ito yon. This is 400. This is 150. Tapos ito ngayon kailangan natin i-solve, di ba? Okay, so 400 plus 150 is 550. So 550, kaya in-orange ko na, ano? So this is 550. Tapos i-apply mo ngayon yung maliit na triangle doon. 1 half times 5 times 20. So nakita nyo dito, this is 5. And this is 20. Nakita nyo naman, nakatapat sa 20, no? Nakatapat doon sa 20. Yan. So, 1 half times 5 times 20 is 50. So, 550 plus 50 is 600 tons meter in your amidship. That is the bending moment. Intindihan? Okay, I'll go to the next. Okay, so yun na, meron na naman tayo, no? Okay, so bending moment at 30 at your amidship is 600 tons. Diba? So yan ang gagamitin natin dito. 600 tons. I-add lang natin algebraically ito. Okay, so 1 half times 5 times 20 din, di ba? Kita nyo yan, 20. Although negative 20. Negative 20. No? And this is positive 5. So nakita nyo, 1 half times 5 times negative 20 is negative 50. Negative 50, ano? So ngayon, meron tayong 600 tons meter plus negative 50 is 550 tons meters. Yan ngayon at that is your bending moment at 35 meters FOAP. And then we will go to the 40 meters. Okay, so 40 meters naman. So meron at 35 FOAP, meron tayong 550. So yun na rin ang gagamitin natin doon, 550. Tapos we will calculate for the trapezium. Ito yun ang i-calculate natin, ano? Trapezium. So nakita nyo yung side niya, that is negative 40. Negative 40 yan. Tapos the other side is negative 20. Tignan nyo lang kung saan nakatapat, no? Kaya kailangan may graph kayo. Okay, so 20, negative 40 plus negative 20, that is negative 60. Divided by 2 is negative 30, times 5 is negative 150. So, 550 plus negative 150, siyempre plus minus is negative. So, ma-minus mo lang yan, magiging 400 tons meters. At bending moment at 40 meters FOAP. Ito, no? 40 meters FOAP. Ito, 40 meters. 40 meters forward of amidship. Okay, so next, we will take the bending moment at 45 meters FOAP. Dito naman, 45 meters. So, this is still a trapezium, no? This is a trapezium, so we will use the formula for trapezium. Okay, so if you remember, at the 40 meters FOAP, we calculated 400. Even if we go back to check, okay, nakita niyo 400, di ba? So 400, so we will use that here. And then here, we will use the trapezium, which is, this is your side, this is 40, this is 40, or negative 40, no? Negative 40. And this is negative 30. This is negative 30. Yan. So negative 30 plus negative 40 is negative 70 divided by 2 is 35. 35 times 5 is 105 plus 70, 175. So, tama, no? So, we will subtract 400 kasi ito plus minus magiging minus. This is minus 175 is 225 tons meter at bending moment at 45 meter FOAP. And then next, we will calculate at 50. Okay, so then we will calculate at 50 meters FOAP. So if you remember at 45, we got 225 tons meter bending moment. If we go back, this one, yeah. Okay, so we will use that again here. And then we will calculate for the trapezium here, no? So this one is 30, negative 30. And this one is negative 20. So ito, negative 30 yan. Negative 30. And this one is negative 20. So negative 30 plus negative 20 is negative 50. Divided by 2 is 25. Negative 25. Times 5 is negative 125. So 225 minus 125 is positive 100 tons meters. That is your bending moment at 50 meters FOAP. And then we will go to the 55 FOAP. So the bending moment at the 50 is 100. So we will use that 100 here. Okay, so here we will calculate again for the trapezium. So ang trapezium dito, this is 20 meters minus 20. And on the other side is minus 10. And of course, this is, okay, so this is 5. Okay, so the negative 20 plus negative 10 is negative 30 divided by 2 is 15 times 5 is negative 75. So 100 tons meter plus negative 75 is maminus mo lang. Then you will get 25 tons meter bending moment. Bending moment at 55 FOAP, no? And then next we will go to the forward perpendicular. Forward perpendicular. So kailangan pa ba natin i-solve yun o hindi?
Parang zero na po ata din yan.
Zero. Okay, so you can do that zero, no? Pero for me, I will explain siyempre. Okay, so as you can see, 25, nakuha na natin yung 25 dito. Bending moment at 55 FOAP is 25 tons meter. So we will use that here. And then we will solve for the triangle. 1/2 times 5 meters, di ba? Ayan. 5. And then this one is 10. Negative. Negative 10. Okay, so the answer is 1/2 of 5 is 2.5 times 10 is negative 25. Siyempre, positive, negative, maging 0 tons meter. So, there is no need for you to calculate that to show me, no? Isulat nyo na lang yan. Bending moment at 60 meters FOA, pero ilalagay mo dyan forward perpendicular. Huwag mong kakalimutan ilagay yan. Kasi yan ang magiging basihan ko na maintindihan mo. No? So this is at forward perpendicular. Naintindihan ba? Any question regarding that? Any question?
Yan, sir.
Okay, so dito, you can also solve that just like what I have done with the curve of shear force, no? So ito yung mga na-calculate natin. Nilagay ko diyan para mas madaling mag-plot, no? Because we will do also yung plotting, no? Okay, so nakita nyo wala yung hinahanap ko dito. So insert tayo, no? Insert chart. And then X and Y scatter. Ngayon, pipiliin natin dito smooth lines and markers, no? Smooth lines and markers. Okay. So tingnan natin kung kaya, ano? Yan, ano? So anong ilalagay natin? Ito ilalagay natin ulit, no? So your X value, of course, that is your length of the vessel by 5 meters interval, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Pero sabi ko nga, pag yung 75, may 37.5 kayo, no? 45, 50, 55, 60. And then, dito naman ay 0. And then, we have 25. And then, 100. 225. 400. 550. Tapos, 600. Tapos, 550 ulit. Positive, para makita. 550, 400, 400, 225, 225 at 45, tama. And then 100, and then 25, and then 0. Yan. So, tignan natin kung ano result. Yun. No? So, yun ang result. We can close now. We can close this. Paano ba tanggalin yan? Okay, close. And then, pwede natin palitan ulit. Okay, so blue na lang. Blue, yan. And then we can format the axis again so that the maximum will be 60. 60. And the major is 5. 5. Yan. Yeah. Tapos dito naman, so this one, format axis ka rin. So the maximum is 600. Maybe we can put that at 625. 625. Yan. O kaya 650. Para hindi pangit. 650. It's up to you. Huwag mo naman yung 600 para makita natin yung dulo ng graph. And then for the minor, This is actually nakalagay 50, ano? Or ang minimum niya is negative 50. So, okay lang siguro yung minimum negative 50. Tapos this one is, so ang major natin, lagay natin ay ano, siguro 25 kasi may tag 25 doon kanina, di ba? 25. Subukan lang natin kung hindi masyadong ano. Okay, yan. May tag 25. Ha? Baba natin konti. Yan, no? So, maybe we can put, ano lang, para makita. Kaya maganda sa Excel mo gawin, ano? Para kitang-kita mo. Format axis. So, this one is 625. Okay. So, that's it. No? And then, here we can put curve of bending moments. BM. Okay. So, ano pang kulang natin dito? Okay, of course, you can put the half perpendicular here and the forward perpendicular there, no? So, pwede naman natin ilagay yon. Okay, copy-paste ko lang to para madali. Copy, paste. Ang hirap mo kontrolin. Yan. Forward perpendicular. Okay, so meron tayong curve of your BM, no? So, bahala ka na kung kaya mong pagandahin ito, no? Sometimes, you can show the zero dito. Although, zero na dito, eh. Okay, nasa dulo naman yung zero, wala problema, no? Okay ba? Naintindihan ba? Okay, so any question regarding that? Let me change the color of this. Okay. Okay, so thank you for listening. Stay safe and see you again on next week. Next week na, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.